Welcome to the tutorial for the taxonomic system of the Ecotaxonomy. The Ecotaxonomy is based on several key models. After logging in the data modification interface, you can switch between these models on the dashboard. In this video, we will briefly go through the forms taxonomy and GBIF taxonomy from the taxonomic model and mention the public Ecotaxonomy website. Taxonomic system of the Ecotaxonomy is based on the GBIF taxonomic backbone. The entire taxonomic system of the GBIF can be found in the GBIF taxonomy form. Here you can see a tabular interface for the GBIF taxonomic system. This table can be used to add taxa from the GBIF to the Ecotaxonomy. The taxonomic system of the Ecotaxonomy comprises GBIF taxa and also additional custom taxa like morphospecies or intermediate taxonomic levels that are not present in the GBIF. You can use free search or filters to locate and open a target taxon using the right button. Experts can modify the system-approved taxa and make them public. Let's create a new taxon. Give it a name, then choose a taxonomic rank and parental taxon. The Save button will create this taxon and open the expanded taxon form. To the left, you can browse and switch between taxa on the taxonomic tree. To the right, you can modify the basic parameters of taxon: name, authorship, taxonomic rank, parental taxon, geographic distribution, and taxonomic status. Experts can approve the taxa and make them public. By scrolling down, you can see identification characters and ecological traits of the taxon, which are divided into subcategories. Here you can define values to the characters and traits. The value can be also defined for high-ranked taxa and inherited to all taxa within. Inherited values are highlighted and can be changed for this specific taxon. Characters and traits can be deleted using the trash badge. An alternative value of a character or trait can be attributed to the female, male, or larvae of the same species using the male badge. You can check the description of all traits and characters using the info badge, and finally you can attach literature data to a value. Use the A badge. You can use pipe-text literature data, for instance from Google Scholar. Find your information source, click on the side badge, then copy the entire pipe text in the clipboard. Click on the A badge near the target trait and pass the text to the corresponding field. The data is automatically parsed here. Alternatively, you can add literature data from the Ecotaxonomy database library. You can attach PDF that will be available for registered users. You can modify literature data by clicking again on the A badge. All literature data that was added to taxon can be managed in the Literature Data tab. Literature data, for example, original description, can be also added directly to a taxon by clicking on the Add Literature Data link below taxon name. In the Pictures tab, you can add and modify taxon pictures. In this tab, all pictures that are available for taxon itself, for its parental taxon, and related taxa of the same level are shown. You can upload one or more pictures at once. Add description, choose picture type, authorship, source, and license. Now the pictures are attached to the taxon. They can be viewed and modified. The last tab is the Comments tab. Here all free text comments from users and website visitors are listed. Comments are inspected by moderators before becoming publicly available.